Hi guys! 11:08 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po? How was your week po? And of course, now it's the month of June and we would like to, syempre po, maximize. We would like to know what to do and what not to do or to avoid and how we go about it po. Syempre, yun po ang ating mission, vision po sa ating pong sharing. Alam nyo po, I've looked po sa YouTube. I've seen them and nung nakakalipas po ng mga araw, tingnan po natin yung mga iba-ibang techniques po of how they do it. Of course, others with a direct na kung ano yung kanilang religion, iba naman po ay indirect po sila. Because most of them address yung pong deity or the energy as universe. So, para po something universal. And one thing I've noticed is that, of course, lagi naman po meron niyang mga power words, meron po yung mga, script po. But, ang missing po is direction and timing, no po. Halos lahat po pare-parehas naman eh. You visualize, di po ba, you do have that creative thinking and everything. You mayroon pong the use of 888 and combination of numbers, numerology. But, yun nga po, walang timing at wala pong direction, which we have. So, let's give it a chance po. So, whatever you have were trained, whatever po you have seen in the Facebook, lagyan natin po, there's no right and wrong, lagyan natin ng time component and direction po. Yan. Okay, now, let's check. So, June 4, Tuesday, is considered as the Earth Pig, enters the Destruction Officer Day. So, let us see. Tingnan natin. Ano bang meron sa araw na Tuesday? Okay. June 4. Ganun pong kabilis. Okay. So, sabi rito po, no, avoid all activities. Wow. And then, rat is average, ox is not so good, tiger and rabbit is very good, dragon is average, snake is not so good, horse is average, goat is very good, monkey and rooster not so good, dog is average, and pig very good. Of course, again, if you have been following me for quite some time, we are not in the habit po of delaying things. Of course, time is gold. Life is short, so we go for it. And one way of addressing po yung mga not so good things, or if you have special plans tomorrow, i-daily chimen na. You count from 64 to 1, whole day to daily chimen. Hi, to Kuyang Noble Joseph. Kuyang, Brother Senior Warden Nobs, magandang gabi po sa iyo. Okay, Kuyang Nobs, Senior Warden Sir, tingnan natin ha. So tomorrow, we maximize yung paggamit ng daily chimen para we still can 10x the outcome that we want for tomorrow. Okay, ito po whole day ha, whole day po ito. Whole day na po muna tayo kasi po pag mga hi to Sir Ryan. Kumusta ka po, Sir Ryan? I'll be in Batangas tomorrow. Hope I'll be visiting you one of these days in Batangas. I'll be in 2 towns po tomorrow in Batangas. Yan. And then late in the afternoon, I'll be again meeting someone from Batangas po, third client po, somewhere in Alabang. Sir Ryan ha, mabuhay ka and see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Okay, Sir Ryan. Okay, ito po. Tomorrow, June 4, the game changer. And if you're looking for a medical practitioner or a doctor or a healer, talikod sa Southeast. If you want to create opportunities with wisdom, talikod sa Southwest. Whole day to ha, as early as now until 10:59 p.m. the next day. Health is wealth. With the negotiations, want to negotiate po, no? Heart-to-heart talk, may gusto kang kausapin, and you want the best outcome ever, talikod sa West. Anything to do with money, helpful people, assistance, noble people, talikod sa Northwest. And if you're 10x being beautiful and handsome, here and abroad, overseas, malaki yung reach mo, pangbonggahan na po, no? 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, a blogger, talikod ka naman sa East, whole day din po ito. Okay, so, let us say, kung gusto mong gamitin ang game changer na may 6 stars, Siyempre po, Sir Ryan, BFF, meron tayong script. Uy, iba nga may script eh. Tayo rin meron. But again, we have the timing and we have the direction. Yun po yung another layer to that. Okay, gamitin natin. May script. Ito na. Okay, again, for the purpose of para po no offense to different faith and religion, we use the word universe. Universe! I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I effortlessly and easily magnetize drive and accumulation by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, creating robust lifelines and livelihood for all. Amen. So mote it be, inshallah. Kung paano niyo po, how you end your prayer. Hi to Kuyang Inton. Thanks for watching. I know you woke up early this morning but still nandito ka pa rin. And Kuyang Inton, thanks for the pictures, no? At least kahit di kami nakaka-attend po sa Grand Lodge, at least we're updated because of your picture. Mabuhay ka, Kuyang Inton. More blessings for you and see you very soon. I know may utang pa ako sa'yo. I have to visit you po. Kuya, schedule natin yan. So yun po, BFF. Yes, Sir Ryan, see you. Hi to Kuyang Melvin. Oh, okay na. Okay na si FB, I've seen your name na, kompleto na. Hi, Kuyang Melvin. Magandang gabi. So, yun po, gumamit po tayo ng script. And then, as we go along, dagdagan nyo po, you innovate, you put yung specific po na una po, you let it go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. Be a blessing to others. Yun po ang ating template po, those 5 points for 5 steps to manifestation. Don't forget that, the BFF. Okay, now, what if, ito po naman, what if, sabi dito, Norman, let's say, gusto kong gamitin yung how to create opportunities naman. Sige, how to create opportunities. Ito naman. So, lagi pong same yung umpisa. Lagi po tayong, okay, universe, I let go of all the things that no longer benefits my journey. I open myself to become the person need to fulfill my aspiration. I am deeply thankful for my blessing. I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize new ideas and views by always attracting the right knowledge and skill set that is valuable to the world, which is easily monetized. Amen. So, mote it be, inshallah. Yan po, So, up to you po. Ito, may script tayo. So, you can replay this, pwedeng itagalog, or in your own language. You do this po. Ito yung template natin. Then, as we go along, but don't forget, always with a grateful heart, always happy, and then you count from 64 to 1, and then that's the time you say the script. And don't forget to give it back. Okay, BFF, thank you so much for being there. I know, I really would want to put the numbers kung pang ilang episode na to since we started with the pandemic po. Ang ganda po na may numbers just to know pang ilan na to eh. Hayaan nyo po, best effort, na numberan po natin. At least for also easy reference, kung napanood nyo na o man to replay it, at least you can just check the number po ng ating pong mga sharing. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let's continuously pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Good night, God bless, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.